Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews. Today I'm inside the brand new 2020 Lincoln Aviator. Today we're just going to do a quick video of the exterior design elements that I really like. Alright, and starting off, one of the first things I really like about this car, and in this color, the silver color, I really like the A-pillar here. How it's actually painted in black. It kind of offsets the rest of the vehicle. It makes it look like a floating windscreen. And it carries in with this black skull cap on the side view mirror. A lot of people actually don't like these door-mounted mirrors. They'd rather be on that little A-pillar triangle here, but I actually like these wing mirrors here, how they're mounted to the side. Taking styling cues from Range Rover and Land Rover, Lincoln is starting to put their name badges on the flanks here, and it's actually a really good look, and Lincoln really went all out with their, it's actually a 3D raised that goes with the contour of the body, so I really like that, and it's going on all their vehicles, so it's kind of a cohesive design element. I think this view is really where the Aviator shows the best. Has a very Navigator-esque look to it, although you can tell that it's its own vehicle. I like the LED headlamps. I love the LED turn indicator below and the LED fog lamps down below. I am a huge fan of the new face of Lincoln. The Reserves have the Lincoln Star grille treatment, whereas the black labels would have a whole different grille treatment on it. But it's just a very strong, commanding presence with this vehicle. Let's take a look at the profile. I also like the profile of this vehicle. I like the swooping roof line. Gives it kind of a moving fast while standing still. As you can see in the rear, along the rear window here, you also have the same black treatment as you do in the A-pillar. Just the way the rear windows are sloping down gives it a really fluid exterior design element, which I really like. Tail lamps are nice. Of course, they're all LED. You do have a full LED bar lamp going along the entire center line of the vehicle. For some reason, maybe it's just me, those tail lamps have a hint of Saab in them. That's not a bad thing. And of course you have the raised Lincoln lettering on the rear as well. That's going to be carrying over to all Lincoln models. I don't think there's actually a bad angle in the Aviator. I like it all. Quad exhaust tips. They have a design element that's interesting all of their own. So you can see the exhaust openings are actually open, but you can see where the pipe is actually molded to where it comes out below. I think that's to help direct exhaust gases away from the passenger compartment and down below. But it's a pretty neat looking way of doing it. Alright, another design element I like. I'm not a big chrome fan, but I think the chrome finishers along the belt lines, along the windows, really help tie in the window glass, which is deep tinted, so it all blends in with the black A and C pillars. Actually, that would be the D pillar on the SUV, but... And how it comes out to a vestigial spoiler in the rear window, which also hides the rear wiper. I love that trend. Door handles, not quite like the Continental, but they're actually fixed in place with a electric release switch behind. Actually, I like the way those look too. Overall, I really like the all-new Aviator. I think it has a really great design, a real high-end upscale look. Something that's completely different in the luxury SUV segment. Lincoln is actually going towards the luxury land yacht phase that they were back in the 70s. Since everything is very luxury sport oriented, I like how Lincoln is actually going with the luxury land yacht cruiser style. I think it's working really well. Alright, and this does conclude this video. If you liked it and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.